Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be doing a follow-up review of Madison Reed. And a little while ago I dyed my hair, and when I put a video on my channel someone had asked if I would still recommend using Madison Reed, and I just figured that I'd make a video about this because honestly this is a company that I absolutely love. And the thing about it is I have been dyeing my hair at home for many years and nothing compares to using Madison Reed. I have used box dyes that left my hair feeling extremely dry and have left my hair looking very brassy, and honestly it just hasn't been the results that I was looking for. But with using this kit it has been amazing. The first thing that I love about this kit is that it's extremely easy to use, and I love that with the steps, honestly, even if you're not a pro at dyeing hair, it's just very user friendly. And another thing that I really love is that with the ingredients, they are less harsh on your hair. So I found that with dyeing my hair, this is the first time that I've ever dyed my hair where it doesn't feel dry and the health of my hair was not compromised. So that's something that I was really happy for, because the thing about it is I do like having my hair a little bit lighter just for that dimension, and I find that it helps to make my curls pop, but I don't want to sacrifice the health of my hair, and I'm happy that I didn't have to do that with using the Lightworks Balayage kit. And another thing that I really like as well is that my hair was able to lift to the highest that it has ever lifted with using an at-home system. So before, when I dyed my hair, it would kind of always just stay to the same level, even though I was using blonde or something that was very light. It would always kind of stay the same. But this is the lightest that I have ever been able to get my hair to be with using an at-home system. Something else that I wanted to mention is that I colored my hair back in July, so it was a few months ago, and for the most part my hair is still very vibrant. I'm not really experiencing any dullness and my curls just look amazing. So I would definitely recommend checking out this kit, and if you want any more information I'll leave all that down below, and if you have any questions let me know and I'll do my best to answer that too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!